So here we are at Tampa Marina.
No, Gulfport.
Gulfport Marina, getting ready to do an excursion, dolphin watching. I guess they like to go through the weights of the boat. So myself and my son Jay gonna hang out, go over to Egmont Island, and I'm gonna do some snorkeling, but you're not.
Absolutely not.
And we're gonna try and find some tortoises.
And manatees.
And manatees, hopefully. And
rays.
And rays. If I'm lucky, maybe I'll find a megalodon tooth. Yeah, for the big teeth. So yeah, looks like we're getting ready to go. So see you out there.
They are.
Yeah. So out here doing some snorkeling, and unfortunately, I think Hurricane Idalia messed everything up. It's just kind of not looking so hot under the water. So,
feels nice.
Oh, it feels great. We're enjoying the swimming, but yeah, lots of people out here snorkeling, and I'll show you the boat. They will catch you something, but it's a lot of fun anyway. What a great time that was here at Gulfport Marina. Went out, saw some dolphins, did some snorkeling, which was fun. The water was a little murky, but that's okay. Come back another time.
Saw a pirate.
Saw a pirate. So if you're ever around here, get a chance, come on out. Gulfport, Marina. We're going to put all the information down for the one that we went on. This excursion, this is the oldest excursion in the area that goes out to
Egmont Key.
Egmont Key. So yeah, come on out. If you're out here, have a ball. And you know what? If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. They certainly help the channel grow. And listen, while you're down there, drop some comment, feedback if you've ever been here. So listen, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and by all means, stay God.